Why hello there everyone! How are we today? My name is Victoria Lowey and I thought I'd make a quick video showing you guys how I made these simple Dollar Tree Disney themed wall hangings. Let's start with supplies. I found these canvases at the Dollar Tree. I ended up using one 8x10 and one 5x7. Mod Podge in the gloss and a paintbrush. I used this Disney tissue paper. I had gotten my ears I ordered from the actual Disney store. They came wrapped in this and I had a grandma moment, you know? I was like, this is some beautiful tissue paper. I just can't get rid of it. So I had to come up with a project to use it for because I was just embarrassed I was going to be hoarding tissue paper. To continue with my predetermined Disney theme, I went to the Dollar Tree and found the cards with the biggest versions of Minnie Mouse I could. I got 2 of each just in case I had a Victoria moment and messed up. From there, I just took a few minutes to figure out which card I wanted to use on which canvas, what direction I wanted the canvases to go, just kind of map out the direction I wanted my project to take. I decided to do the 5x7 canvas in the portrait position, and I cut the tissue paper accordingly. To switch things up for this canvas pair, I decided to do the 8x10 in the landscape position and cut my tissue paper to size. From here, it's time to get a little bit messy. Just go ahead and pour that Mod Podge right onto the canvas and spread it around with your paintbrush evenly. Make sure you get it on the edges as well. Everywhere you want that tissue paper to stick, you want there to be a nice thick layer of our glue pretty much that we're using. I won't show you guys me doing both canvases, it's a little bit repetitive. I'll just show you this second one. I was a little bit more confident with my paper maching skills here. As quickly as I could, after getting my adhesive spread across the canvas evenly, I pressed out the tissue paper as smoothly and as evenly as possible right on top of the wet glue. Using my hands, but also trying to be delicate because it's tissue paper, I spread it out as much as possible. Get creative with whatever really helps you smooth out as many of the bubbles as possible. Man, look at me, getting creative here, smoothing out these bubbles with what's around me, being resourceful. Like I said, you guys, use whatever your creative minds come up with to get as many of those bubbles out as you can. Go ahead and get messy all over again and go right over the top of the tissue paper with another layer of the Mod Podge. I have to keep saying it slow like that, Mod Podge, because I want to call it Mod Podge, but I keep looking at the bottle and that's not what it is. It's just M-O-D Podge, Mod Podge. Sorry. So every time I say that in this video, I have to say Mod Podge. So I did the same exact thing I did here with the 8x10 with the 5x7. To extend the life of your wall art, it is important to make sure you really lay down the edges of the tissue paper. I left those canvases alone a little bit to hop back over to the cards and start cutting out my Minnie Mouses, Minnie Mice. Yeah. That's it. I'm sorry, Mom. I know you homeschooled me. I'm just trying to make you proud. I'm gonna stick with Minnie Mice. On this second card here, not only did I want to keep Minnie Mouse, I wanted to keep the little saying on the front, as well as everything besides the happy birthday granddaughter on the inside of the card. So I tried to be very careful about the way I cut Minnie Mouse out. Alright, so just like I was doing before with the tissue paper, I put a layer of glue in between the canvas covered in tissue paper and the card I had cut out. I placed the card cut out on the canvas in a location to where the card had cut off Minnie Mouse's figure. It kind of lined up more naturally with the edge of the canvas. And smooth her out the best you can. And then we add some more Mod Podge over the top. And I repeat these steps on the other canvas, placing Minnie Mouse strategically where the card had cut her image off, along the edge of the canvas. Glue down first, then Minnie Mouse, and then more glue over the top of that. I think you guys get it from here. It's glue, paper product, glue. Alright, I was starting to look at my canvases from here. I was loving what I was seeing, but felt they were a little too plain. And they are a set, so again, I located these gold paper stars, and I added them to both to keep them a matching sort of set for one of my residents' rooms. These are going to be part of raffle prizes for them next month. I also added in the other parts of the card that I thought were cute, and they really started to come together from there. Now, some may say that these stars are rather large and plain and out of place for this set of wall decor. However, since these are going to be raffle prizes for my residents, I thought it would be a great idea that when we pick the raffle winners, we can have it personalized in the middle of the gold stars with their initials. You'll see. It's going to be great. You'll see. See? Huh? You see what I'm talking about here? Is it making sense? You picking up what I'm putting down? Anyway, that's my fun, easy craft for today. I just thought I'd share it with you guys, maybe inspire you to create your own piece of art. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please share, leave comments. I love to hear from you guys. Bye, cuties!